Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today I have a combined haul, but it is all the rest of the stuff for my luau party. So it's from a lot of different places, and I'm so excited to show you. It's from the Dollar Tree. I think there's only a couple things from Dollar General, and then the 99-cent store had everything 50% off, so I had to stock up there. So let's get kind of the boring stuff that we've all seen out of the way. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but if we don't use them, like we can use them at home. So there's 12, so there's 2, 3. So I got 3 of each. So these plates, which are the bigger plates, they are the 9 by 9 inches. I got 3 of these, and there's 12 in each pack. And then I did pick up these, which are 12, and I picked up 3 of these, which are 9 by 9 also. So 6 of those, which I'm very excited about. All right, guys. I saw this thing on Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, what a good idea. So on Pinterest, they used the plastic margarita glasses or martini glasses from Dollar Tree, but I was like, afterwards, I don't want to throw it away. Like, why not? If I'm going to spend $1, why not spend $1 on something that I can keep and put into like my wine liquor cabinet kind of afterwards? So for $1, instead of getting the plastic one, I opted to get this glass kind of martini glass. And I am going to put some leis around the bottom, some flowers. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up these trays from the Dollar Tree, obviously for food and stuff. And then I'm hoping that my dogs do not bark because the pool guy is out here. So what you do is then you glue. So if you use hot glue, this will stay for the one day of the party. Take it off, peel the hot glue off your glass, bam, you can keep your glass. Like, why am I going to spend $1 on a plastic thing to throw away when I can spend $1 on these and keep them? So again, I'll probably put maybe some different colored candies in here, something, I don't know, just to make it look better. But yeah, I'm gonna put some leis down here, some flowers, and then this is going to be where I put some of my food. So I love that idea, and this brings the height off the table. So I did pick up 2 of the pinkish red and 1 of the blue, and I picked up 3 of these. So I was very excited. I can't wait to make those food trays. Those are gonna be soon. Very excited about those. So I did pick up several of these because I wanted to show you guys. So this is the inflatable decor that says Aloha, right? And it says the inflatable size is 53.3 inches. What the heck is 53.3 inches? Like, I don't know. So I blew it up for you guys so you could see it's a pretty good little size. And then if you look, like, the edges are like bigger. So the middle is not inflated, only the edges inflate. How cute is this going to be sitting down with like maybe some ice on it, with like a couple little drinks or some ice and some food? Like, I'm gonna clean this off and I may put food directly on this and use this as a tray. Like, maybe I'll put some pineapples on here or something. The sides are already decorated for you. Everything is done. So again, I picked up several of these. I'll put maybe some ice in here with some drinks. Maybe I'll just make this a fruit platter. But how cute. And it's gonna hold everything in because the sides are all inflated. Loved it. So I wanted to show you guys how cute that is. And for $1, yes please. And then this is just another one of the Aloha things, which I'm excited about. And so I was thinking too with this, like it could be the centerpiece in some of my tables. And again, just put some fruit and stuff so that the fruit is right there for everyone just to grab and eat. And then I did just pick up some inflatable palm trees. These are the 22.75, and these I picked up because I was looking in my yard the other day and I have a palm tree, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to decorate that palm tree like a Christmas tree. So I just needed some more decor to put on my palm tree. And again, that's why I picked up this tassel garland. It's 9 feet of tassel garland, but what I picked it up for is because I just want all the little pieces so that I can decorate my palm tree in the backyard for my luau. So let me see. I think that is all from the Dollar Tree. It is. And so actually there's 3 things, but really 1 from Dollar General. So these are the 24 party cups. I picked up 3 packages because I'm going to put some I'm going to have like a kids bar and then like an adult bar. And the only reason is because sometimes kids feel left out. Like, why can't I do anything? Not that I'm trying to teach kids to take shots. Please do not think that. But I just thought it would be cute. And I love the colors. I absolutely love the colors. And they go perfectly with my theme. Again, there's 24 in here. I probably will not use all of these, so I'll save them for my next party. But I loved them, so I picked them up. So there are those. And I think everything else is from the 99-cent store. So everything you will see here was half off. So of course I picked up a lot. I probably shouldn't. So this one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these right here are the flame lights. This one doesn't have batteries. Do any of them have batteries? Probably not. Let me just look so I can show you guys. I don't think they do. No. Anyways, I'll get batteries for them. But these are Flame Glow, and they are Summer Luau LED Tiki lights. This is $1.99. I got these for $1. They are a good size, a very good size. It doesn't tell me. Oh, 2.98 inches by 4.25 inches. Guys, this is so cute. So some of these will hang from my tree, and I like that they're batteries and they're not real flames, so I can put them wherever I want and not have to worry. But so some of these will hang from my palm tree as decoration, and some will just go around my pool and my jacuzzi. So again, guys, I got 6 of these, normally $1.99. I got them for $1 each. And I can reuse them for whenever I want. They don't have to just be out there for the tiki party. I can use them whenever. So more. I try to take most of the stuff out of the bags, but it doesn't seem to have worked. So I did pick up these, and they are also Flame Glow Realistic Flame Light. This is 4.21 inches by 4.21 inches, and it was $3.99, so $4. So I got this for $2, and these ones actually do. So like, it's like the light is looking like it's flickering instead of just like a normal light. How cute. Again, if I want to hang it, I can. So I got this one, which is like in the greenish lime green. These may hang from my ceiling. I don't know, but they just had to come with me. And then how cute is this one? So it was the same thing, $2. Look at that bird. Ah! These are probably going to, a lot of this is probably going to stay outside or be used for other things also. This is so cute. So, and it's big. Again, has a hanging thing, $2 for that. Very excited. I mean, you just can't miss it for that much. Let me see the rest of this. This is kind of Christmas to me too, because I did not pick this stuff up today, but I'm gonna have to pick this up now because it's going to fall. But yeah, I did not pick all this stuff up today. It was before even my LA trip, so this is crazy. But I'm going to pause the video real quick so I can tell you guys who won my 3rd giveaway. So I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm going to attach the picture of the winner, but it is Dinah's Universe. So Dinah, please go ahead and email me. My address is in the About page. I'm sorry, my email is in the About page, so congratulations. Hey y'all, I forgot. I have my address on there, so I don't care. I wanted to show, I got a letter from Tony at Creative Chica Halls. And I'm so excited. I got it last night and I was like, oh yay. I went to open it. I was like, oh, I can't right now. And I cannot wait any longer to open it. So I just wanted to open this real quick. And let's see. I'm so excited. Let's see what we got. It says, oh, it's a card. It says Amy. Oh, okay. Just a little thank you. Oh, goodness gracious. She did not. She gave me a gift card. Thank you so much for the Happy Mail. I am sending you a Dollar Tree gift card for $10. Happy shopping. I can't believe you did that, Tony. I just want to say thank you so much. You absolutely did not have to do that. First of all, I wanted to send you that stuff, and as soon as I saw the Tahine stuff, I had to get it because that's what you had been talking about previously in that video. I mean, this is amazing. I literally have goosebumps right now. Sorry, I can't hardly talk. That is one of the most amazing things ever. Please do not think that you had to do that. That is so incredibly sweet. And you sent me stuff. Like, I got one of your mermaid chunky chains. Like, how is that not one of the best things I've ever gotten? I love your chunky chains. So thank you so much. Thank you, Tony. And I can't say thank you enough. So thank you. I'm back. Congratulations to the winner. Please email me your address. And yeah, I'm so excited to be doing these giveaways. My husband is also excited because it's getting stuff out of our house. So this is the centerpiece, 7.5 inches by 5.2 inches. And it was only 50 cents because half off $1. This one was $1. I mean, I couldn't leave it. I had to take it. It's a thick, thick block of wood. So extremely excited about that. This also was, so this is 3.5 inches. Again, it was $1, so I paid 50 cents. Absolutely love the bright pink color. And it's like a plastic ceramic kind of thing. But again, it was 50 cents and it just lets party pineapple decor. I'm going to get to the day and it's going to be like, Amy, there's not enough room for all this. I will find room. So here is just some Let's Party photo props. And why did I get them? Because they were 50 cents. They were half off. And they have the stakes already in them. So here are those. That's all of them that there are. So I can literally put these in anything I want. I can take them off the stakes. I can leave them in the stakes. I can do, like, if I take them off the stakes, I may use some of these also as, this is photo props, but we're not going to have a photo thing. But I can use some of these, like I said, for my palm tree. Some of these I might just hang on my brick wall. I'm not sure, but for 50 cents, and it was my theme, it was coming home with me. These are the Let's Party Home Honeycomb Sticks, 6 inches, 18 pieces. And of course, because they were pineapples and they were 50 cents each, they came home. Yes, you got it. They came home with me. I picked up 2 of these because they were 50 cents each. Let's Party paper cups, 9 fluid ounces, 12 in each. So yes. I mean, I am in love. I think the reason I like the luau kind of theme is because I love bright colors. Love bright colors. Oh. So apparently those pineapples, there was more, I guess, that I liked. So let me show you. So you saw the bright pink one. These green ones, I love how bright they are. So obviously these were 50 cents each. So 2 for $1. And here is a blue. I'm going to guess that there might be more in here. But anyways, here is the blue one that was 50 cents. I'll save that for last because that is nothing. That was probably the only thing I got that did not have anything to do with my luau. And I forgot I got it, so I'm glad I just found it. So let me take all this stuff out of the bag. Throw it back there. So yes, 50 cents. So this is 10 by 10 inches hanging decor with the glitter, the beautiful colors, perfect for my theme. And for 50 cents again, I mean, why not? So I also got these, the Let's Party placemats. I'm not going to use them as placemats. I will probably hot glue them together or something and make them into table runners because again, they were 50 cents each. So there are 3 here. So like I said, I might make it as a table runner. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but they are, do they say what size they are? 17.7 inches by 11.8 inches. So I liked those. These ones, I'm like, Amy, did you really need these? I'm telling you, put a clearance tag on something and it's coming home with me. Like, you could charge me more, but it's coming home with me because I'm like, ooh, I'm getting a deal. So I'm like, Amy, did you really need the foam? Like, I don't know, just kind of chintzy. I don't know, but it was a pineapple and it was only 50 cents. So it was coming home. It's 15 inches. It says it's a placemat. It's not a placemat, no. So I don't know. That'll go somewhere. These I had to have, and I wish they would have had more. These say paper placemats. I am not using them as placemats. My attempt is to make a giant palm tree that's fake. Maybe not gonna happen. I might have overdone it myself, but they'll go somewhere, and there are 4 pieces in here. So I love how big the palm trees are. And for these, let me just tell you, I'm in love with the Golden Girls. Absolutely love them. So for things like this, and so I'm doing like, in my room, on my side of the room, is going to be like a shrine of the Golden Girls because I just love them. So for a lot of these, like these placemats and stuff like that, I can use them on my Golden Girls table after it's all done. So that's my plan. And then I guess I picked up one of these. Woo. Yeah, this is, I don't know what, I guess it had a sticker that was clearance because that is, yeah. So this is a flower placemat, 17.3 inches. That bad boy is bright and sparkly, and it is a bunch of leaf shapes on the back of felt. So I was like, apparently my thought was, if you are 50% off, you are coming home with me. So that is the end of that. I did pick up one little thing that just randomly, I guess. So this was $2.99, obviously not half off. I love this. It says fall. Oh, you need the other L. So it's beautiful. It's very heavy. Like, this is some thick wood. So I love this. Love all the colors. It's going to go in my living room. But yes, so that is my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will show a little bit of video footage of after I get all this put together on Saturday for my party, and some of the little DIYs I'm doing, because I don't want to tell you now, because if I don't do them, then you don't know, right? So, and congratulations to the winner, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.